This is Francis Vivo. He likes to chew everything he touch. Now let us see what is the difference between this ball and this toy monkey. Look at his face when he tastes it. Oh, nothing, no difference. But let us now see the monkey. He will now start tasting the monkey. Oh, what's that? Look, he doesn't like the taste of the monkey. What is the matter? What is the matter? Is it baby boy? Why don't you like the taste of the monkey? Huh, baby boy? Let us see again what the difference between the ball and the monkey. This is the ball. Taste the ball, baby boy. Oh, he likes it. Now, the monkey. The monkey, baby boy, the monkey. Yay! Di masarap. It doesn't taste good. That's why he doesn't like the monkey. Look, he will subo again. Subo again. Subo. He subo. 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 You try again. He doesn't like. Double. I like it.